All right, today we are going to do multiplying polynomials part 2. So we're going to talk about multiplying a binomial by a binomial. That means you have two terms in one set of parentheses and two terms in the second set of parentheses. Now there's two different methods that you can use. You're either going to use the FOIL method, which is what I'm going to show you today, and the distributive property, which we should be familiar with. The FOIL method means you multiply in this order. First, outside, that says inner, or inside and last. Okay, so if I ever say the FOIL method, I always talk about first, outside, inside, last. Okay, and then what you're going to do after you do that, you're going to combine like terms. So how does this look? What you're going to do, first means the first term in both of them, in both sets of parentheses. So right here, let's just label. Right here is my first. The first term, 3x times 4x is 12x squared, k squared, because 3 times 4 is 12, and then I have k squared. Okay, first. Outside. Now I'm going to use the outside term of my parentheses. So I have 3k times 9. 3k times 9 is plus 27k. Now I'm going to look at my inside terms, the ones that are inside this whole problem, which are right here. So this is in the inner term, the inside. So negative 1 times 4k is minus 4k. First, outside, inside, and now we're going to multiply the last term in both sets of parentheses. So it's negative 1 times 9, which is negative 9. And now we combine like terms. I do not have another one that has a k squared, but I have a 27k minus 4k, and that will give me 12k squared plus 23k minus 9. Now, I think the FOIL method is simple and easy once you get the hang of it. It's making sure you're multiplying the right terms, the correct terms in the correct order. If you do not like the FOIL method, that's absolutely fine. The distributive property will work every single time also. All right, so let's flip the page. So we're going to FOIL on this one also. So we have first negative 8n times 3n gives us negative 24n squared. Outside. So I take this outside term times this outside term. So negative 8n times negative 6 actually gives us a positive 48n. Then we're going to take the inside term, negative 5 times 3n, which gives us negative 15n, and then negative 5 times negative 6, which is a positive 30. So we look to combine like terms, and we only have these two terms in the center. If you FOIL correctly, your two terms in the center will always combine. Okay? So now we have negative 24n squared. 48 minus 15 is a positive 33n plus 30.